In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock a to-do list from edits in Basecamp. While Basecamp doesn't include a literal lock this list switch, you can still control who can change your to-dos by adjusting access and permissions. I'll walk you through the practical options that achieve the same outcome: fewer people with the ability to edit. First, it helps to understand how Basecamp works by default. Anyone who has access to a project can add, edit, reorder, check off, or delete to-dos and lists inside that project. There isn't a setting that locks a single list for project members. Editing rights are tied to being in the project, not to a specific list or item. With that in mind, let's use the tools that Basecamp does provide. If your goal is to limit edits across the board, the most straightforward approach is to restrict who has access to the project. Open the project that contains your to-do list, then head to the People and Permissions area. Remove anyone who shouldn't be able to change content in that project, and keep only the people who truly need editing access to those to-dos. Save your changes. If someone isn't in the project, they can't see or edit any lists or items at all. This doesn't lock a list itself, but it effectively protects everything inside by narrowing who can get in. As a tip, communicate clearly with anyone you remove so they know how updates will be shared. If your concern is specifically about clients, use client permissions to keep sensitive to-dos internal. Make sure your clients are added as client users in the project, then when you create or edit a to-do list, keep it visible only to your team. Only make specific items visible to clients when you want them to interact with those tasks. Clients will only see what you intentionally share with them. Your team can still edit all items. Clients can't be made admins, and they can't change project structure or add people, so their impact is limited by design. Consider labeling internal lists clearly so it's obvious which ones are for the team only. If your account has the optional Admin Pro Pack, you can tighten control further. Go to Admin Land, open the Admin Pro Pack settings, and set it so that only account owners, admins, or the original creators can move or delete project content, including to-dos. This still isn't a list-level lock in the interface, but it meaningfully restricts who can change or archive important items. To wrap up, there's no single lock button, but by controlling project access, hiding items from clients, or using the Admin Pro Pack, you can keep your to-do lists safe from unwanted edits.